Everybody, it's your boy Odin from Host.Promo, and we have an insane Bluehost special for Black Friday that's going to be going on for a couple days. Highly recommend you click the link down below. And if you don't know what Host.Promo is, it's a website I work on that lists the best web hosting companies and promotions in the world. And you can see Bluehost is normally $3.95. And we also have an app in the Google Play Store that's one of the #1 hosting apps in the world. And just so you guys know, Bluehost is the #1 recommended WordPress host. Okay, let's get down to business on this Black Friday special. So you can see right now, the price is usually $8.99, the regular price. However, it's usually discounted at $3.95. They just put that to make it look more appealing. But right now, with the Black Friday special, it's $2.65 a month if you click the link down below. And on top of that, guys, I also want to show you something else. If you go to the top of the website right here and you click this little button right here that says See Deals, you will be sent to this page, and there's over 9 different products right now that have deals going on. So it's just not the normal traditional shared hosting you can get a deal on. You can also get a deal on all their different other products as well with the link down below. So I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this promotion. Right here it says the sale ends in 58 hours. However, if we go down here to the bottom, it looks like they're gonna renew it on Cyber Monday. So this is gonna go actually to November 30th, to the end of the month, guys. So I highly recommend you take advantage of it now before it's too late and before you have to go back and pay normal prices. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm more than happy to answer them. And if you want to check out other web hosting companies and promotions, make sure to check out my website, Host.Promo. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.